Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a paper folding surprise drawing for all of you. Yes, so let's start. First of all, I have taken this A4 size sheet. Fold this sheet into half like this and then another half to the upward side. And now let's start drawing. Today I am going to draw an apple surprise drawing. Draw an apple. Okay, so this is an apple. Right, now open it and join the corners. Now it's time for the surprise. A cute Santa Claus is coming out from this apple. So let's draw the Santa Claus in the center. Yes. This is the beard of Santa Claus. Nose. These are the hands. Draw the eyes. And the cap finally. And here is our Santa coming out of this apple. Now let's start coloring. Friends, our surprise paper folding drawing Santa is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care, Merry Christmas, ho ho ho.